If you clicked on this video, you're here to understand the difference between Google ads and Meta ads. And just to reassure you that I'm not feeding you the wrong information, I own a marketing agency called Let Me Talk, and over the last 6 years, we've helped 500 businesses scale. We've generated $100 million in sales for them over the last 12 months, and we've managed millions of dollars in ad spend, both in Google ads and Meta ads. So we know what we're talking about. And I'm not here to waste your time, so let's get straight into it. We'll break down how each platform actually works, what type of customer behavior they're built around, and when to use each one depending on your business stage. And by the end, you'll understand which one gets you faster results, which one gets you higher quality leads, and how to use both together in the right way. Now, here's what most people don't understand. Google and Meta aren't just different platforms, they're built on different types of buyer psychology. Google ads are intent-based. It's people that search because they already want something. They're problem aware and they're actively looking for a solution. That could be best dentist near me, or how to fix leaking pipe, or Porsche dealership in Montreal. When you run Google search ads, you're showing up to capture demand that is already existing. But there is a trade-off. That demand is limited. If only 1,000 people are searching for your product or service every single month, well, you can't scale beyond that. And because intent is high, you're competing with other advertisers, which pushes up the cost to acquire that customer. Now, if we compare that to Meta ads, which are attention-based, you're not waiting for someone to search. You're interrupting them mid-scroll, targeting based on their behaviors and interests. They're not necessarily looking for your offer, but that's exactly why Meta's powerful. You can reach way more people much earlier in their buying journey and create demand where it didn't exist yet. Now, if you found this explanation too long, the difference is simple. Google captures intent and Meta manufactures intent. Now, let's look at how both platforms fit into your customer's buying journey. If you sell something that people already know they want, Google's probably where the highest quality leads come from. And usually they're warm, motivated, and they have a problem. They just need a reason to trust you. But if your buyers need to be educated on your product, or it's new to the market, or your value prop needs to be explained, Meta gives you the room to warm people up. You can use storytelling, testimonials, and content to build trust at scale. And here's what's wild. A lot of the time, people see you first on Meta, and then they search for you on Google. So if you're looking at Google performance in isolation, well, you're missing half the picture. Now, let's talk speed. Meta typically gives you results faster. You launch, you start testing different creatives, you get signals almost immediately because you're not waiting on search volume. You're actively pushing your offer to a broad audience. That means Meta is a better pressure test for your messaging, your offer, your funnel, because the feedback loop is much quicker. Now, the negative side is you might get more low quality leads, because that's the cost of doing a lot more volume. Google, leads tend to convert at a higher rate, but it takes time to rank, dial in keyword strategy, optimize your landing pages, and so forth. And you're writing on little to no information, because you can only test keywords and headlines. So if you're trying to test new angles, validate messaging, or reach a larger audience fast, Meta is usually the better starting point. You'll be able to test hooks, objections, and funnel structure quickly because the feedback loop is much faster. And that applies whether you're launching a new offer from scratch, or you're already scaling a multi-7-figure business and you're looking to simply have more volume. Google, on the other hand, is a really strong channel when you're ready to layer in high intent demand. If your offer's proven, your sales system is dialed in, and you want to close buyers who are ready to buy right now, that's where Google shines. Now, the biggest mistake business owners make is treating both platforms the same. You can't use the same creative, same funnel, or same strategy on both. It just doesn't make sense. Again, they require different thinking. On Meta, your hook, creative, and scroll stopping power is everything. On Google, your keywords, landing page intent match, and reputation, aka your Google reviews, matter a lot more. So if you want a document that breaks all this down for you, the difference between Google and Meta, where each one fits and how to use them together, we put it in a free resource linked below. It's free, and we also do these deep dives either in business, marketing, sales, operations, like this video, every single week. So first of all, subscribe. Second, go grab your copy, and I'll see you in the next one.